Finish watching The Wicked. In front of the castle, and we are just waiting to take the last 2 years. I think.
Should I talk?
Okay, guys.
Ang awkward talaga magsalita pag magbablog. Kaya ay saludo ako sa mga tao. Sa mga nagbablog na nagsasalita. So, awkward. At hi, hey, hello, kamusta kayo dyan? Welcome again sa aking channel. Welcome to my vlog. Hindi talaga ang awkward. So, today is my off day. So, work. Malamang. Today, I'm gonna celebrate my birthday. Yes, 28 na siya. Si Akla, 28 na. Today, November. Lagi ko sinasabi sa mga kaibigan ko or mga new friends ko or sa mga bago ko nakakilala, pag tinatanong nila ako kaya kailan yung birthday ko, lagi ko sinasabi November 1. And they were like, talaga? November 1? Wala ko. Bakit? May masama ba mag-birthday ng November 1? Yun naman, diba? Okay. But yeah, it's my birthday today, pero hindi po November 1. Pero kung sino man po naniwala na November 1 ang aking birthday at binati ako, salamat. Thank you pa rin. Thank you sa pagbati. Thank you sa Thank you sa pag-alala na birthday ko. Kahit di naman birthday ko ng November 1. Today is Friday, and we're going out. Ang plano ko for today to celebrate my day is to go out, bumili ng number 2 and 8 kasi 28 na si Akla. 28 na is may... Oh my gosh. 28 na ako. Okay. Okay lang yan. 28. Gagawa ba ako? Wala. Supposed to get a tripod, pero gusto ko kasi yung gimbal. Gimbal ba pronunciation? Basta gusto ko ng tripod for my birthday shoot. Pero, I'm contemplating. Wow! Tawa. Oy. Sorry. But yeah, pinag-iisipan ko kung bibili ako ng tripod or gusto ko talagang bumili ng GoPro ba yun? Diba? Gusto ko pero hindi ko alam kung ano yun. Wait, search ko para correct. Nakakahiya naman. It's Go Ultra Insta360. Pero kasi dito sa Australia, parang hindi siya available. But yeah, we'll search kung saan siya pwede mabili, kung saan siya available. By the way, sa Australia, November is the start of summer. So, it's a must talaga. I mean, everyday dapat nagsa-sunscreen ka. Sunscreen done. Then I'm planning to go to a cafe. Pero sobrang late na. 11. Tama ba yun? 11:17. Sabi ko, gigising ako na maaga. Kailangan ko maging productive. Guys, ang unang Hindi ako nag-alarm. Una, hindi ako nag-alarm. Bago kapatid ko pa from the Philippines. Yung bunso kong kapatid ko pa yung gumising sa akin para batiin ako. 6 a.m. sa Philippines. 8 a.m. here sa Australia. So, nagchika-chika pa kami. So, kailangan ko maglaba as well. Kasi wala akong uniform para bukas. But yeah, I'm going to a cafe to treat myself. Kasi deserve ko naman yun. And enjoy the day. I'm also planning to buy a cake to do a photo shoot. Birthday photo shoot. Saan ka naman doon? Wala nang taga-picture. But yeah, I'll do my best to have a birthday photo shoot. Kasi parang naging tradition ko na yun every birthday na magkaroon ng birthday shoot. Na may number. I'm planning to do a Ariana Grande. Kung nakikita nyo sa TikTok, sa FYP nyo, kung lumalabas man nyo sa FYP nyo, yung birthday shoot na may cake bago Ariana Grande yung song. Yeah, I wanna do that one. Ano gagawin ko? Wala lang, magagala lang ako to enjoy this day, to be productive and all, kaysa ikulong ang sarili ko sa kwarto. Diba? Imbis na magpahinga ka, hindi, papagurin natin ang sarili natin ngayong araw. Maging masaya ka, girl. Yeah. Yan lang po ang plano ko for this day. See you sa labas. Naglalakad. Basa yan. Basa. Dahil walang silver na 8, I'll just get a low. 2 and 8. Actually, meron akong white, pero wala akong 8 na white color na balloon. So, I'll just get 2 and 8. Para matchy-matchy sila. Bago hanap tayo ng birthday candle. Tara! Na tayo sa Kmart. We are on our way to go sa W Cosmetic kasi bibili ako ng lip. Let's go!
sunshine, new day. Birthday wishes on the way. Candles, lights, and joy, oh yay. Time to laugh and play. Gifts and laughter all around. Smiles waiting to be found. Happiness in every sound. Birthday girl, you're crowned. Happy, happy birthday to you. Here's a day that's bright and true. Cake and love for me and you. Singing loud, we'll party through. Every second full of cheer. Friends and family standing here, celebrating every year. Birthday magic we revere. Balloons rising to the sky. Birthday dreams will never die. Dancing stars, a twinkling eye. It's your day, so fly so high. Happy, happy birthday to you. Here's a day that's bright and true.
Hi everyone! So I'm finally done with my birthday vlog. And we are I'm gonna do my last thing to end my day is to do unboxing! Tada! Bumili ako nito kasi wala lang. Ito talaga plano kong bilhin lang. Then I saw this, which I am very me. Lagi nagta-travel. So let's do unboxing. Let's go. Okay. Saan ka dyan? Grabe po yung effort ko. Yes, may effort po ko tuwing birthday ko. I always do photo shoot, video shoot, and celebrate it with my family. But then, since I got here in Australia, I am alone, apparently. But that's okay. That's life. That's adulting, which is getting out of your comfort zone. So, it's part of growing as an adult. So, tadan! Ito yung mga pwedeng makuha. I'm aiming for this one. Hopefully, ito yung makuha ko. Pag hindi, okay lang. Okay, let's do this. My card. What is this? Oh my gosh! Ang cute! Hello guys! This one guys. Which is okay. Nagagawa siya ng pot. Okay. Let's open it. Put it. Ta-da! I really wanted to do a pottery as well. Meron, di ko alam kung saan place yun sa Philippines, but meron sa Philippines na gano'n. Nagagawa kayo ng mga pots, which is really cool. Oh my god, this is so me. Nung nakita ko talaga to, grabe. Parang gusto kong bilhin lahat. Kung nakikita nyo, kaya mo siya mag-focus. Gagawa siya pot. Kung tama ako, gagawa siya pot. Eee, cutesy. The next, yung Simiski. May kwento to. Tumitingin ako ng Simiski. Simiski? What? Kung ano man yun. Paano i-pronounce to? I don't know how to pronounce it. If I'm pronouncing it right or wrong, forgive me. But I was looking for this Simiski. So, hindi ko siya makita doon sa mga pinaglalagyan niya. Then, I went to the counter. Sana magpipay na. Then, all of a sudden, bigla kong naitanong kung may birthday series sila. And, boom! Nasa counter po ito. So, let's open it. Di na lang. May stock sila. So, purpose of unboxing anyway. Yay! It's the HBD! Oh my god, this is so cute! Hello, nakuha ko yung gusto ko. Actually, I'm aiming for this one and kung makikita nyo, ito na merong HBD na heart. Oh my gosh! Sige, hawakan nyo mga anak. Oh my gosh! Look at this! Cute na? Cute yan? Cutesy! Okay, let me do... Wala, ang cute niya. Nag-glow na ba kayo? Kailangan ko ibabad. Lagay sa may araw. Yun lang guys. Sana ma-enjoy nyo tong birthday vlog. Yung iba dito, hindi na ako nagsalita kasi sobrang ingay sa labas bago wala akong mic. That's one thing that I want to invest as well. Bumili ako ng mic so I can talk properly outside na wala masyadong ingay. Gonna end my birthday vlog here. Happy birthday to me. See you in my next vlog.